name is Grace Kelly. It's a nice kind morning, and I want to show you how my daily routine here is. As you can see here, I have to sweep every day, every morning. Because it is too much dusty here, I have to bring some water. It has never rained for some time now, that's why I have to sprinkle some water and then I will sweep. What I do here at the Demon's house and Ayamara and Junior's house. This is what I usually do my daily morning routine. I'm going to use this is the bucket I have as you wake up, you have to start sweeping the compound so that even if the visitor comes, the compound looks very clean. I did it the broom inaitwa ya makuti, fire ya makuti. That's how we call it. From the coast, it is made from the coast. This broom here. It is a very kind morning, as you can see. That's the entrance of the gate, as you can see, and the Toto is there eating. Toto is eating. And this is where the goats sleep, as you can see here. These are the rooms that they were eating tonight. It's very dirty and humid, but I have to clean it because you have to make the place clean where the goats sleep. And then when they come when they come in the evening, the place will be very clean. These are the leaves that they were eating at night. You have to give them something to eat at night. I don't know. You can leave some comments here. As you can see, my side, I call them ghost poops. I don't know how it's called. You leave some comments. Stick some strong teeth. That one here. That one at the corner there. This one here. There are 6 holes as you can see. Kindly subscribe to my channel. I wish you enjoyed my video and leave some comments here as you can see. Look how it is chewing the gut. It is chewing the gut, guys. Beautiful, very beautiful. It is chewing the gut. And I only noticed that only donkeys don't chew the gut. Wow. Wow, beautiful. Look, this is the sunrise. As you can see, it's the sunrise now. Very beautiful, very beautiful. And here there are some groundnuts, as you can see. This is groundnuts that they need to be dried up. You know it is harvesting time, and we have to put some. We have harvested some groundnuts, so that's why you see them outside here. They are being dried up. This is a net, but we have to use it. If it is spoiled, you have not to throw it away. You see, it has helped us to dry the groundnuts. This is it. Thank you for coming back to watch my channel always. I thank you all my viewers, all my subscribers that you have loved my videos and you come back here to watch me again. I thank you so much. As you enjoy my video, there are more videos to come here, as you can see. I thank you so much. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel and leave some comments so that we can see if we can change somewhere here. Thank you so much. Ciao ciao, bye. Let's see to another video, more videos to come, as you can see. Thank you so much.